po isang buong lechong baka kinakain.
Yun naman ang kalokohan.
Alahi kami ng matatakaw eh.
Pero wala pa rin sa airpot ko.
Mas matindi pa ron?
Yes.
Bakit na naman?
Airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw eh.
Ayan ang kalko.
Yan ang totoo.
Hindi kinakain ng ilaw.
Ibahin mo, airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw.
Ang airpot mo, kumakain ng ilaw?
Oh.
Paano nangyari yun?
O isang gabi, narinig ko, sinabihin nanay ko, Ling, patayin mo ng ilaw at kakainin ko na yan.
Hoy! Ibang ilaw yun!
Iba ba yun? Kala ko pre-pre walang ilaw.
Mukhang marami kumakain ng ilaw dito ah.
Porque alam natin ang Pinoy comes to music kapag manyan wala hangganan.
Totoo yun.
Tingnan natin ang audience natin, how far they can go as far as music is concerned.
Sa papanong paraan?
Ba't di natin ibalik ang awiting sumikat noong 1950s and 1960s?
Aha.
Alam natin, majority sa guest natin yan, hindi na inabot ang awiting yan.
Totoo naman yun siyempre.
Pero tandaan mo, kaibigan, na pagiging music lover ng Pinoy, nasa puso't walang hangganan.
Right.
Kapag ang inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, malalaman mo yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Papalakpak sila.
Yan, kapag inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, the same way, malalaman mo rin yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Sandali lang. Ibig mo sabihin, parang contest tayo, parami ng palakpak.
Call ka?
Alam mo, mas maganda, lagyan natin ng pusta.
Sure.
20,000.
2,000 malapit sa katotohanan.
2,000. Maestro, music. Remember, remember, oh, oh, oh.
Only you, yes, can make
Dami.
all this world seem right.
Dami mong kamag-anak ha.
Tunay yan. Only you
1-0.
can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can truly keep like you do. And the thrill my heart would love, oh, only you.
Don't
Wala.
ever leave me. Wala. No, don't
Pasalamat ka na awa sila.
say goodbye. If you do, I'll be the lonely one. I'll sit down and cry over you.
My prayer, yes, yes, is to linger with you.
Kaya mo, sinesenyasan mo eh.
2-0. Bakit?
Penalty!
Ano yung basketball?
Walang din, 2,000 lang eh.
And your lips close to mine.
Para sa mga senior citizen,
Yes.
you give your hand to me.
Wow!
And then you say,
I love
thank
that
you.
song very much.
And I can't hardly speak. My heart is beating so. And anyone could tell. You think you know me well. No, you don't know me.
Here's another song from the famous Platters to all of you.
Flutters.
Who heavenly shades of nights are falling. It's what a time.
Yan, quits.
Out of the midst, your voice is calling.
Kabla.
It's what a time. When purple colored curtain mark the end of the day, I'll hear you, my dear. It's what a time.
Para sa mga nagagandahan din lang ngayong gabi.
Yes, to the rage of the house.
Oh, my love.
Yes,
My
wonderful.
darling.
Oh,
Thank
Leo,
you.
that's a song.
I've hungered
I love
for your touch. Are you still mine?
Doon sa lahat ng mga bigote.
Bigote. Hindi balbas.
Oh, yes.
Ay, kukunti lang.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay.
Hoy! Not counted!
I-count mo na.
Tinakot mo eh.
Ay, natakot eh.
Pati babae, wala namang bigote.
My knees is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell.
Oh, 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 oh.
Nail sita.
How I'd like to look
Yes.
into that little book the one that has the lock and key. Say I'm the boy that you care for. The boys,
Crazy. I'm crazy. 14 para 15.
Hoy!
I'm crazy for trying. Yes, I'm crazy for crying. And I'm crazy for loving you.
And they call it popular.
Wow! What a
Salamat
wonderful
po.
song.
Guess they never.
Mukhang panalo ka, Dong.
Kajut lang, kajut. How a young heart really feels. And that's why I love her so.
Well, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, inviting each and everyone to please join us by clapping your hands to rhythm.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
We will count para sabay-sabay po tayo, okay?
You ready?
Here we go. One more.
Here we go! Those were
Come on.
the days, everybody! We thought we'd never let. We'll sing and dance forever.
Come on, it's good for your heart.
We live a life we choose. We find we never lose. Oh, we were younger, and she knew how to wait. Lie, 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 lie. Ang kanya'y lay, lay na. Lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie, lay, 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 lie. Lie, 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 lie. Thank you very much.
You're wonderful. Maraming salamat. Do you like more? I can hear you people. You like more? Yes, thank you. Pagkaya lang siya na iniisip mo eh.
Gutom na ako eh.
Pare nga pala, maalala ko.
Bakit?
Pitang aga-aga mo rin sa lobby sa taas.
Kanina?
Oh.
Supposed to be may kausap ko, hindi naman dumating.
Hmm.
Magsi-7 na. Lakas pa ng ulan.
Bagay.
Standby muna ako sa lobby.
Mhm.
Uy, alam mo, naka-standby ako kanina, pare.
Hmm.
May pumasok na babae, ang tangkad.
Wow.
Tapos yung damit niya yung low cut.
Loka?
Ang laki ng, ng Mount Ararat.
Mhm.
Nahulog yung susi.
Mhm.
Pagdukwang na ganon, abay, nakita ko yung dibdib, pare, ang puti-puti.
Ano kapag tataka ron?
Bakit maputi yun?
Tingnan mo itong tao. Naalala mo nag-show tayo ng Kuwait?
Oo.
Naalala mo ba yung nasa BMW?
Yung balot na bulot ng kulambo?
Doon din mag-check-in sa Gulf Hotel?
Oo, nakita ko yun.
Pagdating sa Gulf Hotel, tinanggal yung balabal na ganyan eh. Ang puti-puti, Lebanese pala.
Bakit nga maputi yun?
Pabira naman, todo pala sa kotse, dinaarawan. Siyempre, ang tendency niyan, maputi.
Ang ibig sabihin, pag hindi narawan, maputi.
Siyempre,
Kalokohan.
totoo yun.
Bakit yung itlog mo, hindi narawan, itim-itim? Niloloko mo yung mga tao eh.
Siya tumatawa para maputi yung kanya.
Hoy!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have the old saying that laughter is the best medicine. And do you know that happiness is relative? Yes.
Yes.
Just think happy and you'll be happy.
Right.
Smile, the world smile with you.
Yes.
The same thing with success.
Success.
Success is also relative. More success, more relatives.
Bullshit. Maganda na dramatic na eh.
Mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng bansang aming nararating, lagi po namin binabanggit sa ating mga kababayan sa labas ng bansa, ang tayong mga Pilipino, anuman ang problema natin sa ating sariling bansa, kaya natin. You know why? Being the only Christian country in the Far East, we Filipinos believe that there is somebody up there, a God is willing and able to give us a hand. This is our favorite song. Whenever you have problems in life, don't worry. Just believe that when you walk through that storm, hold your head up high and don't be afraid of the dark.
At the end of a storm is gone. The sky and the sweet silver song of the lark. Walk on to the wind.